At Duroair Technologies, we believe everyone deserves a clean and safe working environment. The DuroRoom enclosure is built around your production goals to isolate and contain a wide variety of industrial processes with positive, negative, or neutral pressure. Paired with one of our Duroair exhaust units, it captures and filters contaminants for an end-to-end clean air solution. DuroRooms are designed to integrate seamlessly into your lean production system. The DuroRoom enclosure is fully modular, portable, and retractable, and can be placed anywhere in a manufacturing facility. Many users retract the enclosure when not in use, saving valuable floor space. The retractability of our enclosure enables use of an overhead crane to move workpieces into place and saves considerably on material handling and labor costs. The process of opening and closing the DuroRoom requires only 2 individuals and allows you to move the enclosure, not the workpiece. The enclosure moves along the length axis and retracts to less than 20% of its extended length. We use a dry chemical system designed by Kitty Badger that protects both the exhaust system and the enclosure. Our custom-designed Kitty Badger fire suppression system opens and closes with the enclosure. Wheels are available in several different types depending on your needs. Rails are suggested for enclosures over 50 feet in length when working on uneven surfaces. This aids in keeping the enclosure straight when retracting or extending. Rails can be on one side or both sides of the enclosure. We design every enclosure around the unique process being performed inside. We call this containment of the process. We will ensure your specific requirements come first. Our experts will analyze your space and propose a tailored solution to improve your manufacturing compliance, efficiency, and productivity. The DuroRoom is made out of steel and is completely customizable with its scalable, modular design. The front wall of the enclosure usually features barn doors with intake filters, but the option for a mesh curtain is available when under space constraints. The back wall of the enclosure is where the air handling unit is typically located. Most designs feature a man door along the back wall. This allows for easy access to the control panel on the exhaust. Supplementary lighting is not usually required since the vinyl surrounding of the enclosure is double polished clear with 95% light transfer. We provide a variety of options for interior lighting. In some scenarios, customers request an anteroom or gowning room to protect people or products from contamination. The buffer space between the clean room or contaminated space is directly attached to the enclosure and often has separate filtration requirements, like NESHAP 319 or an ISO cleanroom designation. It is always designed to a specific process spec. Duroair systems are a cross-draft design. Filtered air travels in a horizontal direction towards the back of the enclosure using the tapered airflow design. Airflow is drawn through multiple stages of filtration and is discharged upward either through the ducting or back into the shop space. The filter assembly creates a tapered airflow, which directs air down the center of the enclosure, maximizing control of overspray and keeping the sidewalls clean while enhancing dry times. The air handling unit exhaust system creates a negative pressure vacuum seal, creating a clean and purified environment. Negative air pressure is used in enclosures where the goal is to keep any possible contamination from escaping the DuroRoom. In a negative pressure environment, the air outside the DuroRoom will flow into it, rather than out of it. This works to keep clean air flowing into the enclosure through the front filter wall. Our paint booths are slightly negative. A seal is created along the bottom of the enclosure, which can stand up against pressure. The exhaust system creates a negative pressure vacuum seal, preventing contaminants from leaving the enclosure. This is ideal for retractable enclosures containing airborne particulates and chemicals. The enclosure is equipped with a long-lasting, highly durable vinyl material that is fire-rated PVC. The skirt is manufactured of a heavier vinyl material and creates a vacuum seal that keeps overspray and particulates inside while keeping dirt and dust outside. Multiple types of vinyl are available depending on your requirements. For more than 15 years, we have engineered unique solutions and products to provide end-to-end service that is beyond compliance.